Have your air conditioner ready for the summer. 1. Remove your air conditioner's cover if you have one. 2. If you have shut off the breaker in your breaker box for the heating season, make sure to turn it back on. 3. Replace the batteries in your thermostat with good quality ones. 4. A dirty filter can cause many problems, so make sure the furnace air filter are clean and replace if needed. 5. Go to your thermostat. A. Switch the setting from heat to cool. B. Lower the temperature a few degrees to the desired temperature. C. Wait and listen for the thermostat to click. 6. In about 20 minutes, check your air vents to make sure your air conditioning is working and is blowing out cool air. 7. Go outside to check that the air conditioning component outside of your home is also working and that its fan is running. 8. If the nights are still chilly, make sure to switch the thermostat back to heat in the evenings to turn off the air conditioner. 9. Contact us at 416-259-6767 if there are any problems or if you have any questions about AC repair. Enjoy the sunny and warm upcoming months. Alliance Energy Source is here to help with any heating or cooling issues or questions. Don't hesitate to contact us with any concerns.